Hey everyone, if you're juggling tasks in Trello and you're trying to keep your Outlook calendar up to date, syncing the two can help you save a ton of time. So by using Trello's iCalendar feed, all your board due dates can appear directly in Trello so you don't have to keep switching between apps. So to start, simply open the Trello board you want to sync, then click Show Menu. From there, click on More, then Calendar. If you haven't enabled the calendar pop-up yet, just make sure to do that first. From there, you can then click Subscribe in the calendar view to get your iCal feed link. So once you have the link, you then have to go to Outlook, then select Add Calendar, then from Internet, then paste the iCal link right there. So your Trello due dates will then show up in Outlook and you can then decide which boards or lists to include so your calendar stays clean and relevant. So it's a simple setup that keeps everything organized and helps you stay on top of your deadlines without any extra effort. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.